Hey guys, it's me Ella, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing Pre-Wrap. If you're not sure what Pre-Wrap is, it's kind of like a thin foam material that people use for injuries along with athletic tape, or some people use it as headbands also. You can find Pre-Wrap pretty much anywhere. It's sold on Amazon and in any sporting goods store, and it's actually really cheap. One roll is like $4, and if you were to buy a bundle, it's usually around $12. And it lasts for a pretty long time. So Pre-Wrap comes in a lot of different colors, but here are the colors that I have for you today. We have orange, blue, and pink. The material is pretty smooth, but it tears pretty easily, so you have to be careful with that. But as you can see, it is stretchy, and it's pretty see-through. The material is also sweat-proof, so it's nice to wear as a headband, and a lot of people do it. So these are just a few ways that you could use Pre-Wrap, and I'm sure you can find many more. Remember, you could buy this off of Amazon or any sporting goods store. I really like using this stuff, and I hope that this video will make you go and buy some. So thanks for watching.